I am now taking off the black connector. Seems like it's a little staple shaped thing right here. What I've done is I used this sharp awl I've got. Any small punch would work. I placed it right on the ends of these and just pounded it with a hammer. Now I'm going to pry out the back of the staple. Hopefully that black plastic thing will come out. Oh, look at that. It's coming nicely. Oh, it's still stuck in there though. Oh, it's coming. Is it coming? Come on, there it is. It did. All right. So that's the part I need to replace or repair.